Oh shit. Here we go again.
Yeah, that was good. I mean, I blushed. Yeah. Okay.
Oh my god! Nice one.
बनाएंगे. We found biggest green flag. Diamond. We found a diamond.
We are back, baby. We are fucking back. We're back. Classic.
Hello, can I ask you one question?
Yeah, sure.
So what is that one behavioral trait in men which is a huge turn off?
To keep on just restriction, you know, यहाँ मत जाओ वहाँ मत जाओ, ऐसा अच्छा नहीं लगता बिल्कुल.
Possessive.
मैं बताऊँ? Narcissism.
Narcissism.
When he's mean. Unnecessarily mean.
When he is unnecessarily mean.
सारे अच्छे ही मिले.
सारे अच्छे मिले.
सारे ही मतलब.
जब वो हर लड़की से एक ही ट्रीटमेंट दे, सेम ट्रीटमेंट फॉर एवरीवन.
हर किसी को एक जैसा ट्रीट करे. So you need exclusivity.
Orbiting.
What is orbiting?
Like he goes and then again comes back, then again goes. That is orbiting.
Over possessiveness, I think. Over possessiveness.
Over possessiveness. What is that one trait then which is a huge turn on?
वो when he relies on you emotionally and he confesses that thing कि yeah, I am dependent on you.
So basically emotionally expressive.
To remember the small things. ऐसा कि उस दिन ये gossip हुई थी तो याद रहना चाहिए कि मैंने क्या बताया था.
पार्टिसिपेट इन गॉसिप.
Gossip वाला चाहिए. For my next question, a girl in a committed relationship should not have any male friends. Do you agree or disagree?
Didn't agree.
Why?
Because see, having friends is general thing for now, and there should be limits. Like the girl knows her boundaries. So I guess it's my personal opinion that the man should trust. Because अगर तुम दोनों में trust ही नहीं है तो काय का relationship and काय का commitment. So if you guys are committed, that means you are having trust. So having male friends is okay because that girl is that girl knows her limits, boundaries. So
No, why? Like, if she is loyal, then what's the problem? I mean, if she has no wrong intentions.
I agree with the statement. She should not have any male friends. If she has a boyfriend, तो वही उसका अच्छा दोस्त होना चाहिए ना. So why do you need other men?
Best green flag.
Agree.
She agrees. बनाएंगे. We found biggest green flag. Diamond. We found a diamond.
I think if he is not comfortable with that guy being friends with me, I will be fine.
That was a good answer.
actually I disagree because having male best friend is the thing कि male best friend हमको तब होता है जब you are not having anyone else. मतलब उसके पास आप अपना space अपना share कर पा रहे हो अलग चीजें जो अपने boyfriend के साथ आप कहीं ना कहीं नहीं कर पा रहे हो. तो दोनों में अलग अलग differences है. It's fine.
So it's fine.
Yeah.
So you are also saying that it's fine. Having a male best friends along with having a boyfriend.
You serious?
What about you?
Depends on the person. Like, if he wants, then okay. If not, then
बोथ वे. अगर उसकी भी नहीं है तो फिर नहीं. अगर वो ऐसा है तो फिर ये नहीं कि मेरे मेल फ्रेंड्स नहीं है उसके फीमेल फ्रेंड्स है. देन
So equality. If I follow, then you should also follow. I have one pickup line for you, all of you.
Yeah.
If you like it, you'll have to give me a follow. Is it okay?
Yeah, definitely.
Okay. Filtered or unfiltered?
Filtered. I would prefer filtered.
Can you pick up something which weighs more than 60 kgs? Nope. Damn, because I was falling for you. You want filtered, na?
Yeah.
Tell me how many people are around us?
3, 4.
Include 4. So you can see. Well, you may see them, but I cannot. Do you know why?
Why?
Because all I can see is you.
Yeah, that was good. I mean, I blushed. Yeah, okay.
Unfiltered.
Unfiltered. Are you a web series?
No, why?
Because I can binge you all night.
प्यारी समझ गई.
Unfiltered.
Unfiltered? देखा ऑफेंड में दोनों में.
ठीक है.
Can you run?
Why?
I'm just asking. Can you run?
Yeah.
How fast?
never calculated that thing, but pretty fast.
Pretty fast. If you come with me, you won't even walk properly.
I was expecting
You aren't unfiltered? Okay, you are wild one of them. Okay. Are you election?
No.
Well, there is a candidate of mine which is standing for you. बोल दो ना unfiltered. Are you a web series?
No.
Because I think I can binge you all night. इसको तो पसंद है यार.
Okay.
You want a filtered one, right? Okay. Can you pick up something which weighs around 60 kgs? No? Damn. Because I'm falling for you.
Good one.
Okay? Can you run?
Yeah, right?
How fast?
Not that fast, but yeah, I can.
Moderate?
Yeah, more.
Okay, but if you come with me, you won't even walk properly. पसंद आए ना? फॉलो करना पड़ेगा अभी.
Okay.
Are you a web series?
No, why?
Because I think I can binge you all night.
Oh my god! Nice one.
Yeah, it's cool.
कैमरा में देख के.
Hi.
What